buttercups from here. Touch me lighter than the air, and sunbeams will appear. Kiss me till it burns you.
Barry, your tea's ready. Barry?
Okay, I'm coming.
I've made your favourite.
Okay, what's my favourite today?
Well, it's Thursday today, not long until the weekend. Fish and chips tomorrow.
Okay, and tonight?
Stoop!
Stoop is, by our own family's terminology, a 3-day-old stew mixed with a can of soup. The soup can be substituted for anything, depending on what is left of the stew, e.g. beans to make it more filling, meatballs for flavour, pasta for volume, or just water to make it go further.
I've put in an extra couple of tablespoons of fish and chip shop curry mix just to get you ready for tomorrow.
That's lovely, but it's Monday today.
No, it's not.
Yesterday we went to the Sunday carvery, remember?
No, silly, that was last week. You're just trying to pull my leg again, aren't you, Mr. Trickster?
Yeah, you're too quick for me nowadays, aren't you?
Why don't you go back and read your book and I'll make you some tea?
What's up, YouTubers? Diane Can here again.
She looks like that woman that used to do the brother and sisters interviews.
The best
What?
buying guide.
The woman that used to do the visiting in the house with that funny man with the Liverpool accent.
Do you mean Davina McCall and Big Brother?
She looks like her.
That I review, which is
He
great
wasn't from Liverpool, he was from Newcastle.
Hooper Rainbow with Laxi Gogo.
Marcus Bentley.
Today,
You mean Roger Beanie from Number 16 when he's been gone almost 10 years?
Marcus Bentley was the narrator of Big Brother.
in the can.
6:45 in the Big Brother house. Beryl is talking to Barry in the living room.
Roger Beanie didn't sound anything like that. He was a Welshman. He had a lovely voice. He was in the Stroud Male Voice Choir. All the men envied him. He used to make Liz Henshaw at Number 26 faint. Mind you, spent most of her time on her back anyway.
Mum,
No idea
Well,
where it came
all the street could hear as some of them joined in. Surprised she didn't catch Roger Beanie's ringworm.
Plus,
what's this got to do with Big Brother and Davina McCall?
She opened her legs for an oncoming train. I've seen the way she looks at you.
She doesn't even live on our street anymore.
You're ridiculous. You're just embarrassed because she asked you to fix her back door that time.
That was Dad, and that was when I was a kid.
Might as well have it off the hinges. Heard she doesn't wear any underwear. And a dressing gown in the middle of the day. Makes the street look untidy.
interested to know your comments.
Right, that is not Davina McCall. Liz Henshaw ran away with that doctor bloke years ago. I am Barry, your son, not Sid, your husband. He's dead, remember? And you cannot die from ringworm.
Never did like Davina McCall anyway.
What the That explains the spag bol. You okay?
Sid.
It's Barry, Mum.
They wouldn't let me hold the baby.
What baby?
I didn't get to say goodbye.
Come on. Let's take you back to bed. Come on. Come on. Mum, wait a minute.
What an ugly baby.
Mum, you can't say that. I'm sorry.
I can say what I like, it's an ugly little shit.
She's a lovely looking boy.
It's a girl.
It's not as pretty as mine.
Dad said he slapped the nurse when I came out, so I doubt that very much.
Not you, Beverly.
Who? Who's Beverly?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Beverly. Happy birthday to you. Where's Beverly?
Mum?
Where's my baby girl? Oh, found you!
It could have been worse. It could have been a child. It was hit and run. It wasn't hit and run. You stopped. To do what exactly? What can I do? Nothing. I'm bloody useless. No, you're not.
Whose birthday is it, Sid?
Beverly's, apparently.
I couldn't even do any resuscitation.
She's not here.
What can I do?
Don't get crumbs on the carpet.
So, Beverly.
I don't want to talk about it, Sid.
It's Barry, Mum.
What about him?
It's me, Barry.
I know who you are. Do you know who I am? I think I'm losing my marbles.
No, not at all. Mum, who is Beverly? Come on, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't know what's happening to me.
Should we have a nice cup of tea?
Nice cake?
Lovely drop of cake. Tea tastes a bit odd though.
I think I put that cat milk in that.
Never mind if it's good enough for the cat. Beverly.
Let's not talk about it.
You keep mentioning her.
Do I? Beverly Baildon, born in 1973.
I was born in 1973.
Then, a few moments later, my beautiful Barry was born. You can't imagine how difficult it is trying to care for two babies on your own.
Hold on, my dad is Sid. Remember Sid White?
He wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for Sid. Such a compassionate man. But he's not your father. Jeffrey Baildon's your father. What would you like for your tea?
Well,
Got some lovely soup.
who is Jeffrey Baildon? No, please don't do this now.
Whose birthday is it? Would you like a cup of tea with your cake?
Mum, focus. This is important.
I know. Whose birthday is it? That's the paella.
That's rice, Mum.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all right, isn't it? Eh? Yeah, look at that.
No, there's nothing proper.
Okay. Say what, sorry?
Just I've seen something that. It's because I've seen something that the place is nice. Well, will it? But I'm gonna link to that.
Okay.
I haven't got the.
It's okay, don't worry. Shall I look after this? Yeah? Yeah,
Oh.
I'll look after this then. I'll put it over here, okay?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, don't worry.
I'll tie to you until you come on.
It's fine, perfect. I'll put it there, yeah? It's fine, don't worry.
You still, well, you know how to the thing, have you?
Shall I fill that up?
Somebody's taken it off.
Have they?
Have they?
Bloomin' doll! Shall I fill it up for you?
Oh, I haven't. Nothing much. It's nothing much. It's perunk.
What are those, Mum?
This is a nice one.
What are those?
Them. Thicker. Figure.
They're bananas, yeah? Bananas.
It'll need to be needed, will it?
No, it's okay.
Those, want them. Just because it's down here.
Okay.
Mine's absolutely right. Yes.
It's okay, don't worry. Shall I fill this up?
We'll get it sorted.
Yeah?
But it's all gone.
Let's get that drink, shall we?
What, like that?
Yeah, from over there.
Hurry up then.
Yeah, all right then. Huh.
Across the stone wall, stretched for miles, I saw your China smile. Under the magnet sky,